Hey everyone, it's Jessica, one of the founding sisters of Sew Tights. Today, I'm so excited to tell you about a new product of ours, one that's been in the works for nearly 2 years, and it's called the Sew Magnetic Cutting System. Whether you struggle with slipping, want more accurate cuts for all of the types of materials, a way to cut out patterns and templates without pins, or simply would like cutting to be easier on your body, we know you'll love the Sew Magnetic Cutting System. The mat is a 20 by 24 double-sided 7-layer self-healing magnetic mat. One side is dark gray with white lines, while the other side is light gray with black lines. Choose a side you feel will help you see things the best depending on the color of the material that you're cutting, or just for what looks insta-ready when you go to share your photos and content on social media. We chose 20 by 24 as our initial mat size because we've never understood why mats of similar sizes won't fit a full fat quarter. With ours you can. So you can lay it out here and you can still have all of the numbers shown so you can measure and cut this full fat quarter without having to move it on the mat. There are half-inch markings and lines for those quilters and sewists who cut most of their pieces using on the half-inch. All of these markings up the side here are half-inch and these are half-inch. And then of course, we have whole-inch markings as well. This is a magnetic mat so that it can be used with our ruler in it that has magnets in it. The magnetic ruler is a 6.5 by 24 inch ruler with turquoise and black imprint. The half-inch markings are in turquoise boxes, so that's all these ones. They have a turquoise background. And the 1-inch markings are in black with turquoise numbers showing through. We designed it so you can use it this way for whole inch, or you can turn it around for work needing half-inch cuts. And yes, we're offering a right-handed ruler and a true left-handed version that's a mirror image of the right-handed ruler, so you lefties can work with the numbers and markings right side up. The magnets in the ruler are strong enough that your project doesn't slip and light enough that the ruler easily shifts where you want it to. And then we have beveled edges at the short ends so you can easily pick up and move the ruler at any time. As you can see, I don't have to push down on the ruler very hard to hold it in place while I cut. So it's also a more ergonomic way to cut than ever before. We've already heard from some industry friends that they can't wait to get their hands on it to relieve shoulder pain that they have. Now, if you're ever cutting very thick materials, pre-quilted pieces, foams, cuddle, leather, cork, or other materials where this magnetic ruler isn't going to be quite strong enough, that's where these little guys come in. We're calling them Sew Tights boosters. They are designed to snap onto the magnets in the ruler to strengthen its hold. Magnets are a pretty magical little thing. A magnet plus a magnet equals a stronger magnet. Now you can easily cut all of the materials from thick to stretchy to slippery without shifting or distorting your project. You can also use the boosters or any other Sew Tights magnets to hold down paper garment patterns, acrylic templates, and whatever else you can think of without pins. We foresee folks using this for leather work, scrapbooking, and collage work, blocking small knitted projects, and even as a tool for basting small quilted projects. The entire cutting system comes in a beautiful, full-color, retail-ready cardboard box with a carry handle, so those of you who are quilt shop owners can easily showcase the product in your store and ship it to online customers. If you're a quilter or sewist who cuts on your kitchen table or other multi-use surface, you'll also be able to keep the box to store the system in when it's not in use, as well as tote it to retreats and classes. As you can see, the Sew Magnetic Cutting System is unlike any other cutting system out there. It'll help you cut more quickly, more accurately, and easily than ever before, freeing more time up for the fun part. Sewing it all together. The system is available for pre-order now on our website. If you're a retailer, you can place your pre-orders with your favorite distributor, Checker in the United States, and then several others abroad. You can find those distributors on our website, or you can contact us to wholesale directly. Estimated ship date is early fall. We're excited to see how this system makes your cutting and sewing life easier. Now go, live magnetically.